case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2008, the Court of Appeal of the State of California saw a suit that shook up how homeschooling is viewed within the state. The case, Jonathan L. v. Superior Court, contested the constitutional right of parents to direct their children's education against the obligation of the state to ensure a child's safety. The lawsuit emerged from a case that saw 2 children removed from their parents due to claims of abuse. The parents continued homeschooling the children, a choice allowed under California law if homeschools are classified as private schools. Yet doubts lingered on whether the initial decision to allow homeschooling, despite the history of abuse, was in the children's best interest. The court faced difficulties interpreting the state's education code, as the law did not clearly state whether homeschooling fell under the private school exemption. Striving to avoid constitutional issues, the court expanded the interpretation of the private school exemption to include homeschooling. The decision was grounded in the rise of homeschooling nationwide and the fact parents who homeschool often file affidavits as private schools. With the expansion of what constitutes a private school, the court returned the case to trial court to evaluate whether the safety of the children involved called for them to be removed from a homeschooling situation and enrolled in a traditional school setting instead. Prior to Jonathan L. v. Superior Court, the judicial system had established that homeschooling legally fell under private schooling according to California's education law. However, this case presented the courts with the responsibility of weighing this right against potential safety risks. The need to reassess the clarity and comprehensiveness of California's homeschooling regulations was underscored by this case's journey through the courts, right back to the trial court for reconsideration.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class